Now, if you're struggling with self-sabotage and you don't know where to start, here, right here on this podcast, we're building the community. I want to remind you, breaking self-sabotage patterns takes time. You've been operating like this for years, every decade, like I was. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate the small wins. We're building a community of people committed to breaking these cycles.
Hello, welcome to Share the Triumphs. This is your host and creator, Alfonso Pelt. I just wanted to share with you guys that I am at work. As you can see, it's very loud. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly, but I did want to make an announcement before time came that I will not be able to do the show tonight. I am still at work and I will not be able to get off in time to do the show this evening. So, unless I do it while I'm still working, or I don't know. That is still something that's still up in the heavens, a question that needs to be answered, right? So, bear with me as I go through this transition. I'm trying to figure out a way to make all ends meet up. Right now, I'm not certain, but we will try to make it function the way it should. As it is, I'm glad that I have a job where I can do this little announcement to you guys. Normally, I would be in a position where I can't even have my phone out or something like that. But it was crucial that I get this information out to you guys tonight while I was at work. Before the podcast time aired tonight at 9:30. So I will like to let you all know, again, tonight is canceled. Tonight's show is canceled. I will try to go into doing some pre-recording for you guys because this is not something I was looking forward to being in this situation where I'm bouncing back and forth between shifts. So I thank you all for being a part of this. I thank you all for being patient with me. And I just ask for your continued patience as I go through this transition. I'm trying to schedule it to where we still can do our podcast, still give you the information that's crucial to your well-being. It's a struggle right now. I'm not going to lie. Trying to figure this thing out and trying to make it work. But I'm going to get there, and I thank you. Like I asked before, leave me your comments. Would you like for me to try to keep the 9:30 slot and just do pre-recorded shows on the 9:30 and do some live shows during the daytime? Or would you just want me to keep the 9:30 show at night? Leave your comments, send a question, suggestion, whatever. You can leave it here as you watch on Facebook or on our YouTube channel, Share the Triumph Live, or on Twitch. You can leave a comment on Twitch for me. I'd appreciate that too. Well, We're going to get it together, guys. And I promise you, the situation will be rectified before Saturday. Okay? I will have an answer for you. And I just need you guys to stay tuned to the channel. I will be giving you updates periodically throughout the rest of the week as far as what we're going to do and how we're going to proceed forward. So again, my name is Alfonso Pett. I thank you guys for coming and watching. Don't forget to check out Tear the Triumph on YouTube channel if you're watching on Facebook. And if you're watching on YouTube, you can also check it out on my personal Facebook page, Alfonso Pett. Also, if you get a chance, take a chance to go on over to www.peltsemporium.com and check out the merchandise there. Every purchase that's branded with the Tear the Triumph logo is supporting this podcast. So I appreciate if you guys did that. You know, you can have some cool merch and show your friends that you showed your support for a positive cause. Again, thank you all for joining and tuning in. Take care the next time. Remember, don't forget, pay attention to the channel. I'll be dropping updates periodically throughout the rest of this week as far as Saturdays go. I might even throw in the extra time frame for you guys during the daytime just so you can have a live Q&A. So that won't be omitted. You know, I don't want to cancel that at all. That's part of what we do. So thank you for joining. I thank you for watching and have a good night.